Hello dear, welcome to my channel, and in this video we all know that today is the 15th August. It is 15th August and it is very sacred day for us. We all know that it is a memory of all those things, all those freedom fighters and all those good and very great works and action of all those freedom fighters. Now, I would like to begin this video and I'll tell you my journey, not my journey. Yeah, it may be a journey of school because today I went to school and I went there. I celebrate this Independence Day and I deliver a speech there, and every was clapping, and I was happy, really. And I'll show you the picture. I'll show you the video of that thing. Let's get started and let's enjoy with me. Let's see my school and my speech and my friends. Here really, there were my friends and all was as I am. Not like me, but they are not able to speak English, and I know that they must speak English because they are learning with me. And you can also learn with me. You can also speak English properly if you will follow what I'll tell you. But today only we'll talk about the journey and scene of my school. Let's see. First, watch this video. Here you'll see something that there are some teachers, really, because it's early morning. I went there before time because I was very excited. That's why I went there, and also for recording videos because if there will be lots of people, then how can I record video properly? So I did this thing for you and for you all because I wanna see you my school. Really. Now let's see. You are able to see there are some teachers, students, and some boys and some girls, and this is the school dress of my school. This is a first scene of my school, and it's a very beautiful school. You can see, not very beautiful, and you all know that. I am from Malaysia. Then in which school I'll be studying? Obviously in government school. So it is a government school because we don't have lots of money to afford any other private school because their fee is very high. But sometimes it may be that education is almost same, but there will be education in English. There will be all the things in English, and here everything is in Hindi. But I am able to study in Hindi and in English both. Really, I can qualify exam in English and Hindi. So this is the thing, and I like government school, really. Now I would like to show you another thing. Now you have watched this scene. Now let's go. Let's see towards the background scene of my school. So see this video. Here there are some flowers. Really, there are some flowers and some cycles are standing there, and there are some classrooms also. Really. See, everything will be moved. Everything will be happen in this video. Really. But if this time is not happening, but stay with me till the end. You'll enjoy. You'll watch the Blaze Girls School. And I know that you'll also tell me about your school. In which school do you study, and what's your school name? And if you want to know my school name, and if you want to know something about my school, then I'll tell you. But you'll have to tell also something about your school. So you have seen this video. Now let's take a glance towards my friends. So here you can see these are my friends. All are not my best friends, but every girl in my school is my friend, is my sister. Because I see every sister as a sister. I see every girl as a sister. No one is my enemy, no one is my friend. No, yeah, really. No one is my enemy and no one is my friend. What am I saying? Really. But I think that everyone is a human being. So why? Everyone is like everyone. But sometimes their mindset may be different. They are not as knowledgeable as I am. But they are also human beings. So never feel attitude that I am so knowledgeable. It's your mindset. You are knowledgeable. Can you be like those? They are not knowledgeable. Can you be like those people? No, you can never be. So it's their quality. Sometimes it may be quality, and that quality may be bad or good. But if we are knowledgeable, we have knowledge, then this quality will be nice and this quality will be wonderful for us. So with this conversation, I think you have watched, you have seen my friends really. And now I'm here. I'm on the roof. In another video, in this video, like this video is animating here. So here I am on the roof, and this is the window. I would like to show you what are you able to see. See that. So there are some boys. They are staring at me. Why? Because I'm recording video of them, and they will be thinking that I'm clicking a picture of them. No, obviously not. And I can take a plate in front of you. I have not to click any picture, and they are going to be very happy. This girl is clicking my picture. I have not clicked any picture of them. How fool are they? And I was not interested in anyone, really, because I'm there for study, really. So I'll also see all the boys like a brother. And we must, because we are there for study, and all the people who are there, they are our brother and sister, and teachers are like mother and father. And if we will be there like family members, really, then we will not feel hesitate. Now I'm talking, but see this, because you are here for watching the scene. So watch this. Don't concentrate on me. Listen me and watch that. Don't look at me. Will you follow? Let's see. So have you watched all those boys and the gathering of the students? And now in last, I would like to show you large gathering, like a huge gathering of students. There will be almost 5,000, not 5,500, and more than 500 students in that school. But I'm not able to record video properly, and there I am also there. Are you able to see? I will be there. Yeah, if I'm there, so please tell me, because I wanna know. Because I wanna know, am I there or not? So friends, I think that you have enjoyed this video, and tell me in the comment section, how is my school? And there are some teachers also, but only some teachers, because many teachers were not present. That's why I was a little sad, because teachers are God. Teachers are our future. Really. For us, we are their future, but our future will be good because of teachers. So we must respect our teachers and our great freedom fighters. Many freedom fighters has been fought for our country. So please respect of this country and of everyone. And now I think that you have watched, enjoyed, and seen everything of my school. In last, I would like to say some lines of Chandrasekhar Azad. So listen to me carefully. So the greatest aspect of our country is freedom. The greatest aspect of our country's freedom is that we must prepare ourselves to achieve it. What does it mean? That if you wanna achieve something, if you wanna do something, then we'll have to prepare ourselves. Never believe that someone is gonna be help you. Someone is gonna be helpful for you. There is someone that will come to you, and he or she will help you. First think about yourself, that I am the most important person for me, and definitely you are a unique person. So if these lines and this video is helpful for you, and I have shown you my patriotism for this country. And after, if I think that in future, if I'll be great person, at that time I'll be a charity for all those people who are like me. Really. Now I'm very, you don't know my condition. Like what are the conditions? But still then I'm recording this video. So you can understand. So what you'll have to do for your patriotism, if you want to show your patriotism, your courage, your power. So please do subscribe this channel and share with your friends and share this video all over the country. So we will meet in the next video, such a wonderful video. And I think that you have seen all of the scene of my school. That's it.